In this video, we'll show you how to add and edit a learner using the single entry method, one learner at a time. If you need to add multiple learners at once, check out our bulk action tutorial instead. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add a learner to a class and edit their details. We'll keep it simple. Go to School Management, then click Manage Learner. Once on the screen, use the filters to select your country, governorate, district, school name, grade, class name, and academic cycle. Then click Submit to load the list. When you're ready to add a learner, click the Add Learner button. Fill in all fields marked with a red asterisk. These are required. The remaining fields are optional. Fill them in if you have the information. Once you're done, click Save. A pop-up will appear confirming the learner was added. Click OK to continue. The learner will appear in the list under their assigned class. To edit a learner's details, find them in the list using the filters and click the pencil icon on their row. Update the details and click Save. Now try adding a learner yourself. If you run into any issues, reach out in your project WhatsApp group or contact the Waliku team.